Hello and welcome back to NetCloud YouTube channel. As I told you before in the previous video, in this video we are going to start with basic Linux command Linux. So probably I'm going to use Cal Linux because my Ubuntu, I moved my Ubuntu yesterday. So in the previous video I told you that told you what is Linux, why studying Linux, and so in this video inshallah we're going to continue with basic Linux command. So firstly we are going to start asking what is file management. So file management is the process of managing file. For us to manage the file, firstly we must know two things. We have graphical user interface and we have command line interface. So when I say graphical user interface, is the same that you are seeing now. These treasures, when I want to navigate to this home, when I want to go to desktop, trash, others, all these things are called graphical user interface. So when I say command line interface, is the thing that we can navigate from this place to this place, and it's more important than command line interface. Is you can perform multiple tasks using graphical command line interface, and you can perform the tasks that are not available in command line graphical user interface. So for us to navigate to terminal, we are going to press Ctrl plus Alt then T, or you can go to your dash menu. You can press your dash Windows, you can press your Windows, or this navigate to this dash and search for terminal. As you see, this is terminal is opening. So we are going to explain all these things. This basically defines the username of the username. The second one presents the machine you are using. In fact, this is supposed to be my name, NetCloud. This is supposed to be Kali. Sorry, VMware, because I'm using VMware right now. So let us first start with basic Linux command. When I say pwd, this command will print the present working directory. So this command depends means print working directory. It will prompt me or print me present working directory. As you see now, I am in home Kali. So, and this command ls, it will list the directories that are available in that I am now in Kali. So directories that are available in home Kali, all these are files and directories that are available in this Kali. In fact, this Abba Anas I just created when I started creating this video, and I deleted it. So when I say ls h, means I'm listing still like the directory, but before I use this else I need to press ls -l a h. So this L is will long list the directories, and this A, it will prompt me with heading file, that is the file that you are not going to it, and this H, it will prompt me with the size of the directories. Let's say it's 1 MB, 25 kilobyte. Is this, as you see this, it prompt me with all these, the file and directory. The one you see with blue is directories, and the one you see with white is file. And you can also understand it using this permission. As you see in this permission, this first place is what we call file permission. The second place is the memory, that is tag. The third is the user group, so it's user of the second one is the group. This is the size, as you see, 4 kilobyte. There is nothing very big, and the time of creating it, that all this place we are going to move file permission. I am going to explain all these things. This for the users, for the group, and for the others. I don't want to confuse you now because we are now in the basic Linux command. I will explain it later. So let me clear this. To clear your terminal, you're going to press clear. It will clear your terminal. So when I say ls hyphen, let's say hyphen a, it will only print me with directories and heading directory that I am not seeing it. So for us to create a file, we are going to use touch. Touch is going to create you the file for you to write. Like touch abba1. Let's say if I say touch abba1, if I say ls, you are going to see there is one available at abba1. So if I want to create directory, let's say make directory mkdir. So this command stand for make directory. Let's say make directory abba. For example, when I press enter, when I press ls, you are going to see abba create. And we are going to use this to create multiple directories. Let's say make the directory abba1, abba2. As you see, it's clear. Okay, sorry, cannot create directory abba. Also, because this abba already exists, it's not going to create directory with abba. So when I press ls, as you see, we have abba2, but we don't have abba. We have abba1 because abba1 is a file, it's not going to create. So when we want to create also this file, we're going to use touch. When I say touch abba2, abba3, so I'm going to create a file with abba2, abba3. So but I didn't write this correct, that's why I get error. Let's say touch this story. I'm not very good in all this. Touch abba2, abba3. As you see, I'm not create this. So when I want to write something inside these directories that I create, I'm going to use nano. Nano is a editor. You can use whatever you want to use. There is nano, cat, and you can also use cat to make write inside file. For example, let me take this abba1. I want to write something inside it. I'm going to use let me take abba3. Let's say nano abba3. As you see, this is going to open me the editor for me to edit, add something inside, like just in Windows, Microsoft, for us to write something. Let's say I want to write my name is Abba Wakili. So as if you want to with Control or to save, Control X to exit. So when I want to see what I write, I'm going to use cat. Cat is also used to create file, and we can also use to write file. We can also use to view content of the file using this cat command. As you see, when I say cat abba3, as you see, it will prompt me with my name is Abba Abdullahi Wakili. So when I want to use this cat, I can also use this cat to create a file. Let's say I want to create a file named Wakili. So this Wakili, I am going to create parts and also add something inside. Because when I say cat Wakili, it will also prompt me. It didn't show me Kali at anything. It's also this prompt me with editor. I can write something. Let's say Wakili is another name of NetCloud. So when I say, if you want to go from there, you can use Ctrl X. When I say cat Wakili, you can see what I write. Cat Wakili. as you see. It's a sorry, I made a mistake. I'm not with comfortable place, that's why. Cat Wakili, as you see, something goes wrong. Wakili is another name of NetCloud. So I don't know, I'm going to press Ctrl D. So I made a mistake, like Wakili. Let me say it's also this Wakili. When I say Ctrl D, Ctrl also it's Ctrl X, man. It's Ctrl C. So Cat Wakili. I don't know. Oh, it's a Wakili. So we can use, there is one command called echo. This echo will echo us back what we write. When I say echo Abba Wakili, it will print Abba Wakili to me. So if I want to pass this what I echo into another folder, I can say, let's say echo my name is NetCloud. Then I'm going to pass it to Abba 2. As you see, Abba is a directory, so I cannot pass it to directory. I have to long list files so that I can see the files I create. I have Abba 1, so I can pass this to Abba 1. Let's say Abba 1. As you see, when I say cat Abba 1, say my name is NetCloud. So, and there is one command we call for creating file, and I think we are going to use goes voice command. We are going to, since we create file, we need to remove file. For you to remove file, you are going to rm-r. This R means remove. You are given the permission to remove the file. Let's say Abba 1, Abba 3, Abba Anas. So then Wakili. So if I press enter, if I say ls, you are not going to see all this because I removed them. So when I want to remove directly, I can use rmdir, or I can use rm. When I want to remove directly, I'm going to say, let's say Abba 2, then Abba Wakili. Then that's all. I'm going to use all ls. As you see, there is no all these folders and directories. So I think I'm going to stop here, and in the next video I'm going to continue with basic Linux command, and I hope you understand this video. Sorry for all the words I do. That's my first time to start using with this kind of video recorder. So I made a mistake, a lot of mistake. I want to fix it in the next video. I hope you will follow me, give us like, subscribe, and if you like, give us comment. Thanks. So nan ku da dawa